Hi, I'm Emily Harlan, and I'm about to tell you how to make some delicious brownies. The secret to good brownies is patience and a lot of chocolate. Before you start to make your brownies, check your kitchen to make sure you have all the things you need. If you are missing something, head to the store to get it before you start doing anything else. The ingredients that you will need are flour, sugar, eggs, butter, cocoa powder, and chocolate chips if you like your brownies to be extra chocolatey. Step 1 is to prep your workspace. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease your 9x9 pan. Get out a small, medium, and large mixing bowls and measuring spoons and a mixer. Step 2 is the ingredients. You will need half a cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and 1 cup of chocolate chips if you want to add more chocolate. Step 3 is mixing. Mix together the sugar, butter, and cocoa powder in a medium bowl, and then in a separate, smaller bowl, mix together the eggs and flour. Once you have done that, you can put the ingredients from both of the bowls into one large bowl. Stir all ingredients until mixed and the batter is smooth. Next, use a flat spatula to spread the batter evenly throughout the pan. Once you have finished spreading the batter, the brownies are ready to go into the oven. Step 4. Baking. Cook the brownies in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes or until when you put a toothpick in them, the toothpick comes out clean. Once you take them out of the oven, let them cool for 5 minutes and enjoy your delicious brownies. And these are my sources.